Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing some wax resist stamping on Bisque ware. And let's get rid of that. This is just a sponge brush that I'm gonna cut up and use for this project. Now I'm just gonna cut it up into a square so it'll make a diamond shape on the pot. Yep, just like that. I'm gonna sponge wax resist and put it around the pot. Okay, here I have a coconut shell that I'm using for holding the resist. And you can use anything you want, a little tray, a plate, whatever you have laying around. And that's what I used, whatever I had laying around. Coconut shell, why not? And I also got a little bit of food coloring in the resist so that I can see it when I'm applying it. Okay, now I'm just gonna start dabbing wax resist around the Bisque ware. And this piece is finished. Looks pretty good. Let's try this this other item. That one looks good too. And let's do one more. When you are finished applying the wax resist, allow it to dry, and then it'll be ready for the glazing. The lines are a little uneven, but that's my style. A little wonky. There you have it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give me a like. Thank you.